Hey everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going on to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big CoinsKid crew. So I've actually bought some Ethereum this morning. I'll always relay what I'm doing, and the reason is because the macro signal on the CoinsKid index right here is telling me we're in a buy warning for Ethereum right there. Okay, so basically bearish, 34% under the water. So I'm buying it to retest a 20-week EMA basically, and there are levels above that I'm looking for on Ethereum. Right now on a 15-minute, we do have a nice little bull div on the 15 minutes, so we're retracing right now into these legs of resistance. You can clearly see we've got resistance on this God candle back test. We weekly got another God candle back test, roughly 2172, and if we move to the left, we've got one just there and just here as well. We've got one just there at roughly, let me drop a line in for you right now. So we could see a decent rally on Ethereum, sorry, to roughly, where is that right now, of 2417 basically over the next few days. If this does start to turn around, and we've got this beautiful bottom down here, loads of bullish divergence down there on a 15-minute, and this starts to reverse like this, we could see Ethereum rally as high as 2417 on the daily time frame. This is the reason I bought some Ethereum here, and it's the same reason I bought some Ethereum last year on this wick low. If you take a look, we've got really oversold down here, where we created these lows in the index but high lows in the RSI in really oversold conditions. So I relayed that to you. Everyone was saying no way, but we got this lovely move to the upside for Ethereum eventually. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now, possibly the 3 into an ABC4, and right now you've got your flush, which is your final fifth wave to the downside, and you've got really oversold with a bullish divergence where you're making lows in the oversold conditions and you're making high lows in the RSI on daily. So I've actually bought some Ethereum today, okay, because if this rallies over the next few months off that CoinsKid crystal ball liquidity entering the market right there, this could start to come up the stairs, and there are levels above where I do think we could see Ethereum retrace to straight away. If you take a look, I know it's an XRP video, but we have a God candle backtest just there. See that flush where we've got this support for Ethereum at roughly 3821. We've got this double top drop, and we've never backtested that resistance right there and a support that's been lost. So if we take a look as well, what we may have is some kind of bump and run here for Ethereum. Okay, where we've got some kind of 1 into a 2 into a waterfall 3 4 5. Right now you're retesting these lows. Everyone's getting incredibly bearish, but this is exactly where the opportunity is in a bump and run to come up, break out, back test, and you should retrace these levels here, okay, and then obviously break out to the upside. So I think with the CoinsKid index that I created for yourselves, it's taking me, making me take a look. I found a reason why I'm going to jump in. There's a bullish divergence right at the bottom, and I'm going to take a little opportunity here. Now I'm not going to jump into a macro long. I do need to see some more structural data down here, and obviously it could flush down and get people stopped out and so on and so forth. But I think this could be an opportunity on Ethereum. There's a lot of pessimism and FUD and negativity and depression around Ethereum at the moment, and I've traded these bump and run patterns before, and this is a potential thing right now that I'm looking at on many projects. Breakout back to see you later. So that is equally something you could actually just wait for, the bottom to be forged, breakout back test. At this point, this could be a real big confluencing factor to build some major long positions for Ethereum and a big impulsive move to the upside. Now, why am I still bullish on this market? It's really simple. We've got a massive liquidity event entering the market over the next few weeks leading to the next few months. It looks as though there's a lot of liquidity entering the market. How do I know this? Basically the CoinsKid crystal ball. Let me show you that right now on the XRP chart, okay? So looking at XRP on the daily time frame, at the moment we have printed a red tail dot on a CoinsKid ribbon, but what I think this is right now is not necessarily the confirmation of a bear market, or the fact that we're going to drop into oblivion or things like that. I actually think it's confirmation of a correction, and we've seen this before in a correction. Okay, so I'll go through this with you. So this was an impulse here from this low here in July, which we nailed, a beautiful buy zone, and look at that, the liquidity. You got CoinsKid crystal ball, your golden line was bottoming down there as well. Okay, so this bottomed and then broke out to the upside, but XRP continued to go sideways, and then got really boring, and then it had this retracement, lost these pivot lows. People had the stops on these lows because they're building high-low structure. It lost this low, but then it came up, broke out, green buy dot on a CoinsKid ribbon, okay? But in the process, what we did do, we went from left to right basically, and this is something I was looking at. For me, I think this is beautiful market structure, okay? And what we're looking for, and I relayed this to you on this breakout and this back test and this breakout of an ascending triangle, I said to you, the next time we see a green buy dot, I think we can increase our long positions, and we're looking for an explosive move to the upside, and we got exactly that, okay? And this is what I'm waiting for right now, the confluence in this chart for a major vertical and a major move to the upside, and the final fifth wave to targets above and beyond will be once we see the next green buy dot, because what we've got right now is exactly what we've got here. So we've got a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4, and I think right now this is confluence of the fact that we are in this 4 correction, because it's exactly what we did here. So it's really hard to understand, but let me explain this to you as best I can. This was confirmation of your 1, okay? This was confirmation of your 2. This is confirmation of your 3. This is confirmation of your 4. So right now what we've not seen is another buy dot, which is confirmation of your fifth. So right now from left to right we are in a 4, and this can pull back, be nasty, shake people out, whatever, but we see the next green buy dot. That is confirmation of your final fifth wave, just like that was confirmation of your first, this is a confirmation of your third, and the next green buy dot is where I'm going to add and create a massive long position with yourself. So I'm just being patient for that. Now at this point you could, and again, nothing I say is financial advice, but instead of taking on the risk of potentially, okay, with a bear market at this point, I'm completely wrong and this is bearish, and which is what a lot of people are looking at right now, you could exit your position and just simply wait for the next green buy dot. So that's entirely up to you. Personally, I won't do that. But what I think we've got here, simply respecting the data, is the CoinsKid crystal ball, which I'm looking at, is the 1 into the 2 into the 3 into the 4 into the 5 within the liquidity within itself. Okay, so this move up right now is showing we've got this fifth wave missing, so there's no bias here, there's absolutely no moon tardism and bull tardism or whatever. I'm just relaying the data to you. I hope you understand that. So I think this red tail dot at the moment is just representing what it was there. You're in a wave 4. Okay, the next green buy dot that we see in the charts could be a representation of the final fifth wave, which is within the CoinsKid crystal ball. And it really is that simple. So to get these indicators into your charts, all we got to do is go to coinskid.com, follow the process, get a crystal ball, and get the CoinsKid ribbon that I created for yourselves a long time ago. Okay, so a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 into another green buy dot could represent the opportunity of a final fifth wave here for XRP, where if we do see that final fifth wave, I would flip incredibly bearish, and I've gone through that with you a million times. So in the meantime, like I said to you and I relayed to you on this wick, it's going to get nasty. I think we'll come back and fill this wick. A lot of people says no way, you're an idiot, you don't know what you're talking about, V-shaped recovery and things like that. But like I said to you, if it's a wave 4 and it's a C wave, it's going to get extremely nasty, because this is typically what we see with wave 4s. And at the moment, if you take a look, it's all zigzaggy, all 3 waves that we're going through, which are corrective waves since this high here. 3 wave here, 3 wave there, 3 wave there, 3 wave here, 3 wave there. So they're all 3 waves. Okay, so this is all corrective price structure for me at the moment for XRP. So I'll leave you with that. If you do want to trade XRP on the micro or the macro or whatever, I would highly recommend BitGet, Bybit, and Mexi. I think it's an amazing exchange that not a lot of people use. But if you are looking for the best non-KYC exchange to get involved in XRP, I would highly recommend Blowfin. Links in the video description. I wish everyone else luck going forward, but I'm just being patient and I'm waiting for the next green buy dot to represent the potential of a final fifth wave right there. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to an update on XRP. Bye bye.